Hey there, Denise Hannah, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Dito na naman tayo dahil oras na para pumili ng ating next read. So, ito yung aking TBR, yung mga hindi ko pa nababasa. Today, pipili tayo ng ating next reads gamit ang Charan! TBR jar. Matagal ko na itong gustong gawin kasi halos lahat ng mga nag-film ng about books dito sa YouTube ay gumagamit ng TBR jars. Feeling ko kasi masaya siyang gawin. So, I wanted to try. But before that, pag-usapan muna natin yung binasa ko mga books na nakuha natin doon sa last video ko. Today, Tonight, Tomorrow, Cruel Prince, One Dark Window. So, Today, Tonight, Tomorrow, this is about Rowan and Neil. Mag-graduate na sila ng high school. Sobrang rival sila simula ng high school. Rival sila mapa-student council, mga quiz, fee, and lahat ng pwede nilang salihan. Sinasalihan nilang dalawa and nagko-compete sila with each other. Last na competition nila is kung sino yung magiging valedictorian. Pero hindi, yung competition nila, hindi siya yung explicit nilang sinet. Ang naging valedictorian ay si Neil. Ngayon, merong tradition sa school nila kung saan yung mga juniors gumagawa ng game, despedida kung tawagin, gano'n, sa mga seniors nila bago sila graduate, bago sila mag-college. Iba-ibang game siya per year, pero this year, ang game nila is mag-picture sila ng mga places depende doon sa listahan na binigay sa kanila. So, kumpletuin lang nila yun. Nalaman ni Rowan na yung batch nila is nagpaplano na talunin silang pareho. Parang nagkampiyan sila na talunin yung dalawa para wala na yung mga matatalinong parang revenge ba, pambawi nila. And narinig yun ni Rowan. Kinuntsaba niya rin si Neil and sabi niya, team up din sila hanggang sa sila na lang yung matira and sila yung maglalaban sa puti. Na-predict ko yung mangyayari, yung ending. Siyempre, YA to. Halata naman siya simula pa lang kung saan pupunta. Hindi ko lang in-expect na itong buong book na to ay nangyari lang sa loob ng 24 hours. I gave this 3 stars. Next is The Cruel Prince by Holly Black. Isa siya sa mga nilook forward ko sa TBR ko kasi sobrang sikat na sikat nito. Ako, pag nag-scroll ako sa Instagram, yung feed ko kasi puro mga libro and laging hindi nawawala yung Cruel Prince doon. So, scroll kasi mai-spoil. Ito naman ay about kay Jude na noong bata siya, 7 years old siya, sila ng kambal niya and then yung ate niya, minurder yung parents nila ng isang fae and dinala sila sa high court. Doon sa lugar na yon is, alam nyo, dinidiscriminate yung mga humans. Yung kumuha kasi sa kanila is parang mataas yung katungkulan. General siya. So, damay din sila. Yung prince, naiinis sa kanya kasi nga human lang siya, pero bakit gano'n? Parang kalahati ng story nito is about bullying. Hindi ko siya feel. Parang I'm so over it. Parang repetitive siya for me. First part pa lang parang carry naman, pero pagdating sa mga next part, doon na nag-progress yung plot. Nakaka-enjoy na siya kasi more on politics siya. Ang ending nito is nakakagulat, plot twist for me. Like, hindi ko siya in-expect. Gusto na kasi maging knight. Pero hindi siya pinapayagan yung kumuha sa kanila. Yun yung goal niya. Gusto niya ng power. Yun yung nag-push sa kanya na gawin yung mga ginawa niya sa book. And I rated this 3 stars. I'm looking forward for the next book, which is nandito. This one, Wicked King. So, let's hope na makuha natin siya para mabasa din natin. Lastly is One Dark Window by Rachel Gilling. Oh my gosh. I don't know, I have mixed feelings about this. I mean, na-enjoy ko siya, nagustuhan ko siya. I rated this 4 stars. Ewan ko, parang nakukulangan ako. I mean, sobrang amazed na amazed ako sa magic system nito. Kasi first time kong makabasa ng magic na galing sa cards. Ang ganda ng concept kasi this is about Elspeth sa kingdom nila, parang sa town or sa lugar nila. Kapag nagkasakit ka, ine-execute salot ba kung sa kanila, ganun. So, si Elspeth, nakuha niya yung fever noong bata pa lang siya. 11 years niya yung tinago. Kapag nagkakaroon ka kasi ng disease, nagkakaroon ka rin ng magic. Pero yung magic na yon is parang meron siyang degeneration. Habang tumatagal, may side effect siya sa'yo. Kilala niya yung Destrier, si Raven, na parang meron siya mission. Kinonvince nila si Elspeth na mag-join sa mission nila. Ganun. One Dark Window by Rachel Gilling. Okay, now it's time for our TBR jar. I think this time I'm going to pick 5 books and bahala na kung ilan yung matapos ko. Let's start with our first prompt. A book with a 2-word title. The Naturals. We have this one. The Naturals. Book Lovers. You've reached Meet Me at the Lake. The Inheritance Games. Fourth Wing. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. This is our 3 choices. I think I am going to pick The Naturals by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. Ilang beses na ito itong ibabas sa pagpipili ko ng next kong babasahin. Parang group of teenagers sila na parang meron silang powers and hinire sila ata ng NBI para tulungan sila. Mystery thriller to. I'm really excited with this one kasi talagang favorite genre ko ang mystery thriller dati. Okay, let's pick our next prompt. A book with a crown on the cover. Meron bang ganun? Ay, oh my gosh! Meron nga. Wicked King. I'm not sure sa Poppy War. Wait, I'm gonna search lang kung merong crown sa Poppy War. Okay, wala. Wala siyang crown. Crown. Wala ring crown dito. This is Thorns, I think. Yeah, so wala. Fourth Wing. Wala din. Oh my gosh. Babel, wala rin. Wala din. Usually fantasy yung mga may crown yun. Kaya tignan natin. Legendary, wala. Two Twisted Crowns. May crown sa name niya. So, I guess counted yun. Kasi, sabi naman, a book with the crown on the cover. So, sama natin yan. A River Enchanted. Wala. Okay. Ano pa? Yun lang. Feeling ko yun lang. Ooh, meron din siya. May crown din siya. These are our options. Dito magtutuloy-tuloy lang naman yung story ng sa One Dark Window. So, iniisip ko kung gusto ko na ba siyang ituloy or like, I will let it marinate muna sa akin. Kasi baka ma-overwhelm ako. And duology lang naman siya. So, okay lang. Kahit hindi ko agad siya mabasa. Oh my gosh. So, if I pick this one, dalawang Jennifer Lynn Barnes yung babasahin ko. Meron na akong Jennifer Lynn Barnes. Let's choose with this two. I am leaning more towards Wicked King. We are going to read The Wicked King by Holly Black. Let's pick our next prompt. Parang ang dami pala nung 5, no? Kaya ko kaya yun. Parang hindi ko siya kaya. A book title with a V on it. We have Love and Other Words, Book Lovers, You've Reached Some, If We Were Villains, House Moving Castle, River Enchanted. Oh my gosh. Ang dami nating choices. So, I think I'm going to choose either, ito kasi ang alam ko mystery thriller to din. So, I think I'm going to pick either of these three. These are our choices: Book Lovers, Love and Other Words, and You've Reached Sam. I've decided. Let's read You've Reached Sam by Dustin Tao. The only thing I know about this book is, isa sa kanila is Dead's na. Through call, para nakakapag-usap sila. So, may pagka-magical realism siguro to. I know this is a sad book. I'm prepared naman. Okay, let's pick our fourth prompt. This is so fun. Okay. A book with a water on the cover. Meet me at the lake. May tubig yan. Kasi meet me at... Ay, oo, tama. May tubig yan. Ito ba may tubig? Wala. Ito. Walang tubig. Abby Jimenez. Walang tubig. Book Lovers. Wala rin. Love and Other Words. Wala. Babel. Wala. Serpent and Wings of the Night. Meron siyang water. So, let's add this on our choices. Legendary. Wala. Uy, gusto ko na yung mabasa yan. Two Twisted Crowns. Ito, River Enchanted, malamang meron. Si River Enchanted nga siya eh. So, let's add that on the choices. And, ito wala. Ito pa pala. Meet Me at the Lake. We have our three choices. I'm not sure what to pick. Hindi ako ready mag-start na naman ng panibagong series. So, I think I'm going to pick Meet Me at the Lake by Carly Fortune. Nakabasa na ako ng books ni Carly Fortune and nagustuhan ko yung writing style niya. Okay. Last from... What is it gonna be? Flowers on the Cover. Oh my gosh, ang dami nito. Flowers. I'm not in the mood for this kasi meron na akong mystery thriller, so skip natin yan. Ayoko din nito kasi meron na akong Jennifer Lane. Walang flowers. Wala ring flowers. For sure, ito meron. Flowers ba to? Parang dahon naman. Dahon siya. May flower din. Oh my gosh. House Moving Castle. Grass. River Enchanted. May flower. Ito rin may flower ata to eh. Oh, wala. Oh my gosh, meron ba to? Meron siya, meron. Ayan o, petals. This is it. I've chosen. This is it. There's no doubt. This is it. This is it. Wala nang discussion pa doon. Ito na agad. So, to recap, guys, this is what we've chosen. Legendary for the flowers on the cover. Meet Me at the Lake for the water on the cover. You've Reached Sam for a book title with a V on it. We have The Wicked King for the crown on the cover. And lastly, we have The Naturals for book with a 2-word title. I'm very excited with our book this time, guys. Parang lahat ng genre nandito. Merong fantasy, merong romance, merong di ko alam romance din ba to or YA, may fantasy, may mystery thriller. So, I'm so excited!